Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about how to watch YouTube TV on multiple TV. So there's several ways to do it. The very first thing is that and by the way this is a YouTube TV help, so I've just gone through each and everything and I've researched about it. Use a smart TV. So if your TV is a smart TV with the YouTube TV app available, right, you can easily download and install it. So this is pretty easy and everybody knows it. Now, more in most of the Android TV or smart TV, there's already pre-install of YouTube. So just go in, sign in, and just like how you use a normal YouTube, you can do this. Now, the second thing is that streaming devices. Right. So, what is the streaming devices for TV that aren't so smart or doesn't support the YouTube TV app? You can use the streaming devices. For example, Amazon Fire TV, Roku, Apple TV, Chromecast, and this is how you can do it. So then, on those streaming devices, YouTube is already pre-installed. But if it is not, then you can just install it. Same thing, sign in using other devices. This is a third solution. Connect to your computer, use an HDMI cable. This is what YouTube TV told me. And access YouTube TV, go to your youtube.com, and then you can just sign in and you can stream directly from your TV. Right, so this is how you can do it. And simultaneously, YouTube TV allows streaming up to 3 devices with the same household. You can have multiple profile under one account, which can be beneficial for families. Now, if you want to watch multiple event at once, YouTube TV offers a multi-view feature that allow you to view up to 4 streams on one screen. This feature is available on smart TV and streaming devices as well as on the mobile devices. So by following all this method, I'm sure you will get your solution. If you did, subscribe.